we have to see some equations here. First equation, x plus 3 is equal to 4. X is the variable and its degree will be 1. Therefore, we say this is linear equation in one variable. Second equation, 2x square minus 50 is equal to 10. In this equation, x is the variable, but degree of this variable is 2. Therefore, we say this is not a linear equation. This is quadratic equation. We have to write here, no, this is not linear equation. Okay. Third example, 2m plus 3n is equal to 8. In this case, m and n are two variables and degree of each term is 1. Therefore, this is linear equation in two variables. Next equation, 4a minus 3b minus 5 is equal to 0. A and b are two variables and degree of each term is 1. Therefore, this is also linear equation in two variables. Fifth equation we have to see here, 5x minus 2y is equal to 7. X and y are two variables and degree of each term is 1. Therefore, this equation is also linear equation in two variables. Now, we have to see linear equation in two variables for this lesson in the standard 10. Okay, such type of equations we have to see in the 10th standard. That lesson will be linear equation in two variables. Now we have to see the definition of that one. An equation which contains two variables, variables are two, and degree of each term is 1 is called linear equation in two variables. Once again, an equation which contains two variables and degree of each term is 1 is called linear equation in two variables. In this case, we have to see the standard form of the linear equation in two variables. This will be ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where x and y are two variables. Therefore, we say this is linear equation in two variables. And in this case, a and b are not equal to 0. This is the condition. A and b are not equal to 0. And in this case, a, b and c are real numbers. Therefore, we say here ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the standard form of linear equation in two variables. Some examples I want to give you here. First example, 3x minus 7y plus 4 is equal to 0. X and y are two variables. Its degree will be 1. Therefore, this is linear equation in two variables. Another example, 3a minus 4b minus 5 is equal to 0. In this case, a and b are two variables and degree of each term is 1. Therefore, These two are the examples for linear equation in two variables. Now we have to see here one activity they are given to us. We have to verify given equations are linear equations in two variables or not. Means that equation is linear equation in two variable or not. We have to verify here. First, they are given to us table, serial number, equation, yes or no we have to write, and reason, that is also important. First equation, 4m plus 3n is equal to 0. In this case, m and n are two variables and degree of each term is 1. Therefore, we say this is linear equation in one variable. No, linear equation in two variables because degree of each term is 1. Secondly, 10x square plus 5y is equal to 7. In this case, x and y are two variables, but degree of first term means x square, x is 2. Therefore, this is not a linear equation in two variable because degree of x is here 2. Okay. Third equation, root 5x minus root 3y is equal to 0. X and y are two variables and degree of each term is 1. Therefore, this is linear equation in two variables. Degree will be 1 here. Next example, 0x plus 3y is equal to 10. In this case, 0x means 0 into x. Finally, this term will be 0. There remains only one variable. Therefore, this is not a linear equation in two variable. Variable 1, here degree. Okay. Next example, 4 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 3. We know the rules. When the variable in the denominator place, it comes in the numerator place, its degree will be changed. Therefore, we have to write here x raised to minus 1 means minus degree is there. Therefore, this is not a linear equation in one variable or two variable because degree of that variable is minus 1. Next example, 4xy plus 3y is equal to 14. X and y two variables, but first term having two variables x and y and its total degree will be 2. Therefore, we say here this is not a linear equation in two variables because degree will be here 2. Last example, 3 upon 2x plus 5 upon 3y is equal to 1. In this case, x and y are two variables and each term having degree 1. Therefore, we say this is linear equation in two variables because degree of each term is 1. Such type of examples we have to solve at the time of exam. Okay.